In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your phone number in the Robinhood app. Before we start, make sure you have access to the new phone number you want to use, since you'll need it to receive a verification code. It's also a good idea to have a stable internet connection and the latest version of the app installed. Begin by opening the Robinhood app on your phone and logging in. Once you're on the home screen, look to the bottom right corner and tap the profile icon. This takes you to your account area, where you can manage your personal details and settings. Next, tap the menu icon in the top left corner. This opens a list of options for your account. Scroll down until you find Settings and select it. Settings is where you control things like notifications, security, and personal information. Inside Settings, tap Personal Information. This section stores your contact details. Find and select phone number. You'll see your current number and a field to enter a new one. Type in your new phone number carefully, double-checking for any typos. Small mistakes here can prevent you from receiving the verification code, so it's worth a quick review. When you're confident it's correct, tap Save or Update to submit the change. The app will now prompt you to verify the new number. Robinhood sends a one-time verification code by text message, and in some cases you can choose to receive a phone call instead. Keep your phone nearby and enter the code as soon as it arrives. Codes are time sensitive, so don't wait too long. If you don't see a text after a short moment, confirm you have a signal and consider using the call option if it appears. Never share this code with anyone. It's meant to confirm that you control the number. Once you enter the code, the app will confirm that your phone number has been successfully updated. You may also receive a security notification acknowledging the change. Since your phone number can be used for sign-in alerts and verification, this update helps keep your account secure and ensures you receive important messages. To recap, you opened the app and logged in, went to your profile, used the menu to reach settings, opened personal information, selected phone number, entered the new number, saved it, and verified it with the code. That's all it takes. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you confidently update your phone number in the Robinhood app.